Hello everyone, I have created this authentication project using the Node.js where the user can log in and register his email ID. So coming on the login part, this is the login page, and if user want to register, just clicking on the register, he will be redirected to the register page. So I am creating a new user here. Name is Mohammad Akbar and email ID is 34mohammadakbar@gmail.com, and I am entering the password here, such as I am entering here 123, and here I am setting 12. If I submit this form, it will show that the both password must be same. So again I am entering with the same password 123, and again 123. By submitting, it will show that user has successfully created his account. So if user want to log in with that email ID, he has to input his email ID and the password which he has registered. So password I have registered 123, so I am entering it, and clicking on the login, it will be redirected to the home page. It shows that it has successfully logged in, and if user want to log out, by clicking on the logout button, it will be redirected to the login page, and their message will be pop up here that user has successfully logged out. And user can log in with this Google also by clicking on this Google image. It will be redirected to the Google page, and it will ask from which ID he has to register, enter. So I am clicking on this one. So Google has logged in with that particular email ID. Again I am doing the logout from here, and if user want to reset the password for the email ID which he has registered, so clicking on the forget password page will be redirected to the forget password page, and here I have to enter my email ID for which I have to reset the password. After setting pressing this button, it will send a link to the email ID to reset the password as it has showing here. So I am opening my email ID. As I can see, I have got an email here that password reset link. If I click on this, it will redirect to the um, forget password page. So I am entering the new password here. So I am entering here again STF this password. In if I enter the wrong password for this time, so it will say that the both the password must be same. So now I have entered the same password this time. So it shows that it has successfully updated the password. So if I enter with my new password, it has successfully logged in with the new password. So coming to the coding part, here is the index.js. For the pop-up message, I have used here connect flash, and this is session which I am importing, and the passport and the mongoose for the database. This is used for parsing the input, and this is session used here, and this is initializing the flash and the passport and the session, and this is the port on which the function is running. Now coming to the routing folder, here is the index.js. This is functions which I am importing from the controller session controller folder. Here is handle home function for the home page, and this is for the sign up, and this is router for the login, and this is for the logout, and the forget password route, this is used here. And this is used for the Google authentication, so user can log in with the Google, and this is the passport authentication which I am using to authenticate the user. This is the controller folder where I am using the index.js. We are using the bcrypt to encrypt the password. This is the home page controller, and this is used to rendering the sign up page. This function is using to display the login page here, and this function is used here to log out from the home page, and this function is used to create the new user. If user already exists, so it will say that the user is already exist, or if the password is different, so it will say that both password must be same here. Message will display, and this is the handle password JS where the user can reset the password. I have used here a node mailer to send the email on the registered email ID, and using the JSON web token. This function is used to send the email on the registered email ID using the node mailer. And I have set the session time here, so the user can update his password within the 10 minutes. And this is used for reset password, which the function will take the input and it will be updated in the database, and the password will be encrypted in the database. And here is the node mailer function, which is written to send the email link to the user so the user can update the password. And this is a flash which is used to display the pop-up message. And this is passport Google authentication, from where the user can log in with the registered email ID with the help of Google. And this is the passport local setup, which is used to authenticate the user. And this is the public folder where I have used the styles and JavaScript and the image. And this is the view folder where I have written the EJS functions. This is for the home, and this one is for the login to display the login page. And this one is written for the pop-up message. And this EJS is used to display the reset password page. And this one is used for the sign up page where the user can sign up with the unique email ID. Okay, thank you.